Hello, space enthusiasts. Ever looked up at the night sky and wondered, not just about the stars themselves, but about the incredible human endeavor to reach them? Today, we're diving deep into a fascinating aspect of space exploration, the pivotal role played by private companies. For decades, space travel was almost exclusively the domain of governments, a realm of national pride and intense geopolitical competition. But the landscape has shifted dramatically, and now, private companies are leading the charge, revolutionizing how we explore the cosmos. We'll be exploring the multifaceted contributions of these private entities, examining their innovative technologies, their ambitious goals, and the unique challenges they face. But first, let's take a step back and consider why private companies are so crucial to the future of space exploration. Can you imagine the sheer cost of government-led missions alone? The financial burden is immense, often limiting the scope and frequency of launches. Private companies, however, bring a level of efficiency and cost-effectiveness that governments simply can't match. Their agile nature allows them to adapt quickly to changing market conditions and technological advancements, fostering a rapid pace of innovation. Think about SpaceX, for instance. Elon Musk's visionary company has not only drastically reduced the cost of launching payloads into orbit, but it's also developing reusable rockets, a game changer that's making space travel more sustainable and accessible. Their Falcon 9 rockets have become a workhorse of the industry, launching everything from satellites to cargo to astronauts to the International Space Station. But it's not just about launching rockets. SpaceX is also pushing the boundaries of deep space exploration with its ambitious Starship program, aiming to eventually land humans on Mars. This is a feat previously considered the exclusive purview of government space agencies. But SpaceX isn't alone. Companies like Blue Origin, founded by Jeff Bezos, are also making significant strides. Blue Origin focuses on reusable rockets as well, aiming for a more sustainable and economically viable approach to space travel. Their New Shepard suborbital vehicle is already conducting successful tourist flights, opening up space travel to a wider segment of the population. This democratization of space is a powerful consequence of private sector involvement, transforming a once exclusive endeavor into something increasingly attainable. Furthermore, consider the role of smaller, more specialized companies. Many focus on developing specific technologies vital for space exploration, such as advanced propulsion systems, lightweight materials, or sophisticated robotics. These companies often operate in niches, driving innovation at a granular level and contributing crucial components to larger space missions, irrespective of whether they are government or privately funded. This collaboration between large and small players is a crucial aspect of the modern space ecosystem. But what about the challenges? The private sector faces unique hurdles. The high risk associated with space exploration requires significant investment, and not all ventures succeed. This inherent risk can deter investors, and the need for robust funding remains a constant concern. Regulatory frameworks also play a critical role. Clear and consistent regulations are essential to ensure safety and responsible development while simultaneously allowing for innovation and competition. The balance between these two aspects is a delicate one that requires careful consideration. Moreover, there's the question of ethical considerations. As private companies increasingly access and utilize space resources, questions of ownership, sustainability, and environmental impact become paramount. We need to ensure that the pursuit of profit doesn't come at the expense of the long-term health of our planet and the preservation of the space environment. Developing robust ethical guidelines and international agreements is vital to navigating this complex landscape. However, the benefits are undeniable. The increased competition fostered by private companies is driving innovation at an unprecedented rate. We are witnessing a rapid advancement in rocket technology, satellite communication, and space-based infrastructure. This technological progress is not only enriching space exploration, but is also spilling over into other industries, leading to advancements in materials science, computing, and telecommunications. Think of GPS, for instance. Originally a military technology, it's now integrated into almost every aspect of modern life, a direct testament to the spin-off benefits of space exploration. But what if we take this a step further? Can you imagine a future where private companies are not only building spacecraft and launching satellites, but are also establishing space-based industries? Mining asteroids for valuable resources, constructing orbital habitats, and even developing space tourism are no longer science fiction. These are increasingly realistic possibilities, driven by the entrepreneurial spirit and innovative technologies of the private sector. The private sector's involvement is transforming space exploration from a government-dominated endeavor into a more dynamic, competitive, and ultimately more accessible field. While challenges remain, the potential rewards, both scientific and economic, are enormous. The private sector is not just playing a role, it is reshaping the very fabric of how we explore and utilize space. This isn't just about launching rockets, it's about building a future amongst the stars, a future where the possibilities are as limitless as the universe itself. The collaboration between governments and private companies is becoming increasingly important. Government agencies provide crucial funding for research and development, while private companies bring their innovative technologies and entrepreneurial drive. This synergistic partnership is crucial for accelerating the pace of space exploration and ensuring its sustainability. It's a symbiotic relationship, each party contributing its unique strengths to the collective goal of pushing the boundaries of human knowledge and expanding our reach beyond Earth. Consider the Artemis program, a joint effort between NASA and several commercial partners. Private companies are responsible for developing key elements of the program, such as the lunar landers and habitats, demonstrating the growing reliance on private sector expertise. This collaboration not only reduces costs for government agencies, but also accelerates the development timeline, allowing us to return to the Moon and eventually explore Mars more quickly. And what about the future? The next decade promises to be even more transformative. As private companies continue to develop more efficient and cost-effective technologies, space travel will become more accessible to a wider range of individuals and organizations. This increased access will lead to a surge in scientific discoveries, technological innovations, and entrepreneurial ventures in space. We are on the cusp of a new era of space exploration, an era shaped by the ingenuity and ambition of the private sector. This isn't merely about technological advancement, it's about expanding human potential. It's about pushing the boundaries of what's possible, not just for a select few, but for all of humanity. By embracing the entrepreneurial spirit and innovative technologies of the private sector, we are unlocking a future where the exploration of space is not just a government-led endeavor, but a shared human adventure. It's a journey that promises to be both exciting and profoundly transformative, a journey we are all privileged to witness and participate in. So, as you look up at the night sky, remember the incredible work being done by private companies, pushing the boundaries of human potential and helping us reach for the stars. The future of space exploration is bright, and it's being built, one innovative launch at a time.